Turning the power on, main disconnect, main start screen, command enable machine start, reset, select your mode, manual comes up first. The display shows your manual, angle, blade motor max, blade motor current. Switching the screen will give you head position, angle, blade tension, and blade speed. Over here is your head advance, head retract, so you can select your head advance to set your head position for your cut based on material. Bring your head forward, set your forward limit, head retracts, back to the back limit. If it's not set, you can set it now as well. Closing your vise, press the two-hand enable button to allow you to operate your vise left open, close, right vise open or closed. Once material is installed, close the vices you wish to hold the material. After your close, you can start your blade. Command enable, blade start. Shows your vices are closed. You can reference your blade speed, make your adjustment as required. From here, command enable, cycle start, cycles in execution. You can adjust your feed rate knob, depending on material, and feed force as well. Vice pressure, if required, is found on the left-hand side of the machine. You can adjust your vice pressure up and down, as well as coolant flow control is right above there. If the guide arm needs to be adjusted, on the right-hand side of the control, you can manually adjust your guide arm up and down. If you switch materials, you can adjust your head position on the fly just by pressing head advance or head forward. Your limit light will start flashing. At any given time when it's done the cut, reset, blade stops, head will retract. Prior to entering semi-auto mode, you want to make sure that your angle is set for your angle you'd like to first cut. To do so, in this case, if we want a 45 left, 45, say a half degree, 30 minutes. Now we'll go command enable, go to. You do have to keep in mind, if you're cutting beyond a 45, the vise line is at 30 degrees. You will have to position your guide arm higher based on a 30-degree miter. Once we're at our required angle, switch over to semi-auto. Angle A will be our 45-30. If you needed to change angle B, pressing enter will bring you up on angle A. Enter to go to minutes. Now over to angle B. If we were requiring a different angle, say 75 degrees, punch in 75. If we want 0 minutes, clear, enter. Start your cycle, press your command enable, two-hand control button to close both vices if required. Blade start, cycle start. Once the cut completes, the head will retract, vices open, and the head will swing to your second angle, angle B at 75 in this case. Once reposition your material, you'll press your command enable two-hand control button, clamp your material, restart your blade, start your cycle to commence your angle B cut. Once that cut's completed, it'll retract back, commence going to 45, 30 minutes for angle A, and repeat the sequence. Options, if equipped, work light and laser. Lamp first press is your light. Second, lamp turns off, you'll get your laser. Third press, you'll have light and laser. Fourth press, we'll turn both options off. Blade change mode, once on, won't allow you to start your blade. You'll get an alarm or even function your vices. This way you can safely open the doors to change the blade without anything accidentally being energized. Blade tension as shown on the screen can manually be adjusted using a T-handle to tighten or loosen when changing a blade, as referenced on the screen. This VW-18 model is equipped with the power tilt option, giving you programmable angle and hydraulic brake feature. With this option, you can either manually position your head or using the programmable control, you can set it for an automatic go-to.
where it will automatically position to the programmed angle you input.